Hello everyone and welcome back to my cooking channel. I'm Reen's Food Diary. So today I wanted to share with you how to make Seekh Kabab at home so you can make it by yourself instead of buying them from the shop. Homemade foods are the best. They are fresh and made by your hands. So if you want to know my quick and easy recipe, then let's go. Before I forget guys, all the ingredients are written in the description box. So if you can't catch them from the video, just go down below and you will see the box. So you can just screenshot the ingredients and it's gonna be more easy for you. Thank you. So you will need a half kg of beef mince, 1 onion, half cup of coriander, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1.5 tablespoon of turmenic powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of Seekh Kabab masala, and 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala. So start by adding all the ingredients in the mince and mix them all together very well. And yeah, if you have a blender, a food blender, just mix everything in the blender. It's gonna be very easy. My blender was broken at that time, so I couldn't use it. I just tried to blend it with my kids' small blender, but it was very hot, so I just did it with my hand. But if you have a blender, put everything in the blender and just mix them. Let the machine mix them. It's very easy. So now that the mixture is ready, we are going to make them. So don't worry please about my voice. I'm talking like this because my son is sleeping just next to me, so I think you can understand why I'm talking like that. So it's all depend on you. If you want them to be long or small or big, make them like as you want. So I don't know how we call this thing in English, but I use it to make my kebab. It was so easy because I couldn't do it with my hands. Okay, I got around 13 to 15 kebabs, so I'm going to use only 6 at the moment and freeze the rest. You can freeze them up to 3 weeks. So now it's time to fry them. So add 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan of medium flame. As you can see, I have different size, but doesn't matter. So you have to fry both sides for 5 minutes each, and don't forget to fry the corner as well, and to cook them better from inside, because usually it's cooked, you can see that it's cooked from outside, but inside it's not really cooked. So I've put them in the oven for 15 more minutes. Okay, so they are now ready. So believe me, it was so tasty and so easy to make. Do it at home and let me know, show me some pictures and tell me how it was. So thanks a lot guys for watching my video again and again. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family, and let me know what you want me to do for my next video. I already have some dishes that some of you told me to do, so I will do it for sure and I will share with you how it was. So thanks a lot guys for watching again, and see you in my next video. Bye.